Today is the history of a man who changed the way the cricketing world perceived India, who inspired India to believe they can perform in overseas conditions and ushered in a new era of Indian cricket by placing his faith in young cricketers. There has been no one in the history of Indian cricket who was as authoritative, influential and fearless as the Prince of Kolkata, Sourav Ganguly, who is famously known as Dada. Considered as the god of offside, his strong cuts and cover drives were a sight of happiness for many cricket lovers. Born on 8th July 1972 in Kolkata to Chandidas and Nirupa Ganguly, his father Chandidas ran a flourishing print business which was the third largest in all of Asia. He has elder brother Snehashish, who is also a cricketer. Ganguly loves to play football in his childhood, but due to brother's insistence, he enrolled into a cricket academy during his 10th class holidays. An indoor multi-gym and concrete wicket was built at their home, so he and his brother could practice the game. They used to watch a number of old cricket match videos, especially the games played by David Tower, whom Ganguly admired. He started his career by playing in state and school teams and different Indian domestic tournaments such as Ranji and Duleep trophies. Later, his debut in first-class cricket was a bit ironic. In the final of the 1989 Ranji Trophy, Bengal were to face Delhi. Ganguly was chosen to replace Snehashish, who is his brother. Bengal won the trophy, and which added as first step for his flourishing career. Ganguly actually made his international debut in an ODI in 1992 against West Indies and scored only 3 runs in his debut match, which resulted in immediate dropping. After getting dropped, Ganguly had a personal bowling mission installed in his house to practice his batting. He waited for 4 years to call him, and finally his big break was while playing for India on the tour of England in 1996. There he scored 131 runs and cemented his place in the Indian team. He eloped with his childhood sweetheart Donna after the successful England tour. On August 12, 1996, they were married by the registrar in Molly Banerjee House, who is a Bengal cricketer. On the other hand, Donna and Ganguly's fathers were business rivals. However, as they say, love wins over anything else. Both families prepared to accept, and a formal marriage took place on 21st Feb 1997. Ganguly was awarded the Padma Shri in 2004 and Bhanga Bhushan Award from the Government of West Bengal in 2013. Let's know few more things about our Dada. When Ganguly took over India's captaincy, India were ranked 8th in tests, and when his captaincy stint was over, they were ranked 2nd. Ganguly is the 3rd cricketer in the world, along with Arvinda De Silva and Mahela Jayawardene, to score 100 and lead his team to the final of World Cup. It was Ganguly who developed youngsters like Zahir Khan, Mohammad Kaif, Yuvraj Singh and Harbhajan Singh. Basically, Ganguly is right-handed, but because his brother Snehashish was left-handed, Ganguly held the bat left-handed so that he could use his elder brother's kit. Dada holds a unique record of 4 consecutive Man of the Match awards. His test batting average never went below 40. Before being elected as a president of BCCI, he was a president of Cricket Association of Bengal. Jagwal Srinath came back from retirement thrice on Ganguly's insistence. Dada changes the numbers on his ODI jersey based on his mother's insistence. Ganguly opened a 3-story restaurant, Maharaj Saurav's, the Food Pavilion in Kolkata, which was inaugurated by Sachin in 2004. Ganguly's parents gave him the nickname Maharaj when he was a kid. He was later nicknamed the Prince of Kolkata by Geoffrey Boycott. Ganguly did not just captain India after the turmoil of the match-fixing scandal that threatened to derail Indian cricket, but he brought about a revolution, a change in mentality, a hunger, an undying belief embedded into the core of the Indian system that we were good enough to go shoulder to shoulder with the best teams in the world. Sourav Ganguly will always have a special place in our hearts. Over the course of his cricketing career, as an Indian cricket administrator, commentator, former national cricket team captain, and now as the 39th and current president of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, Ganguly has won many hearts and respect as well. Wishing Dada a happiest birthday. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.